Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about the Boss Foaming System Starter Kit. This kit gives you everything you need to have a ton of fun foaming your car safely, effectively, and in an efficient manner. It starts with the Boss Foam Cannon, includes 2 of our Boss Foaming System concentrates, and then the world's best drying towel. This cannon is unique in that it has some market-leading features including stainless steel construction, a wide mouth and wide base reservoir so the cannon won't tip over, a dual-threaded neck, which actually allows you to screw our 22 and 35-ounce bottles directly onto the cannon in addition to the reservoir. But the most unique feature is easily the auto mix functionality, which we have designed utilizing metering tips that you select based upon the PSI output of your pressure washer. Those metering tips regulate draw of your solution, and in particular, if you're using our Boss Foaming System concentrates, all you have to do is screw the correct bottle onto the Boss Foam Cannon and get going. No messy mixing, no wasted product, and really all you have to do is swap the bottles as you swap tasks. The liquid that you're going to use the most of in this kit is the Foaming Surface Wash. Foaming Surface Wash is pH neutral, and it is meant for routine washing. It is also meant to not strip any wax. Its primary purpose is to soften and or remove any above surface contaminants such as dirt and grime. The dual layer foam technology allows maximum cling and dwell, and depending on your conditions, you can allow this to dwell between 5 and 10 minutes. That is plenty of time for a lot of that dirt to drip off your car, and following a high pressure rinse, you might establish that you don't even need to touch your car at all. That's ideal in your prevention of wash-induced scratches. However, if you do still need to wash your car, you do that after a high pressure rinse and that foaming surface wash soak. While the car is still wet, you can apply foaming polygloss. Again, with that auto mix feature, you're simply unscrewing foaming surface wash from the Boss Foam Cannon and screwing on your foaming polygloss. You can apply this indiscriminately on all exterior surfaces of the car, including glass, trim, and wheels. That polymer actually bonds to all those exterior surfaces, providing high gloss and some water repellency. Allow it to dwell between 1 and 2 minutes, rinse it off, and you're going to see the water explode off the paint on every one of those surfaces you've covered. That leaves a lot less water on the paint and makes your drying that much easier. Not that you're going to need any drying advantages because you do have the extra large PFM edgeless drying towel in this kit. This towel can hold up to 6 pounds of water, can easily dry the largest of trucks and SUVs with ease, and with so little water being left on the paint after utilizing foaming polygloss, you're probably going to have the capacity to do multiple cars with this towel without wringing and or hang drying. It is truly an excellent kit. You're going to have a ton of fun foaming your car. You're going to draw a lot of attention from your neighbors. And with a combination of these 2 products and the ease of use between the auto mix feature on the Boss Foam Cannon, you're going to have a ton of fun, and you may never even need to touch your car, thus reducing the chance of wash-induced scratches. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.